kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video on Android app development. And so guys, this will be the part 12 of my video series on Sound Recorder Pro app using Android Studio. Alright guys, so in this video I will only be doing the code for listener to the database, like if there is any change in the database, so we can easily update our RecyclerView. So let's get started. So first of all, here we will create the new package, and let's name the package as interfaces. And now we can create a new interface, so we can say click Java class, and instead of class you can say interface. And here inside this interface we can write the name, so we can say on database change listener, and we need to click on OK, and there this is the interface. And here we will only define our two or only single method, that is void on new database entry added, and here it will have the recording item object. Okay, so after this what we are going to do is, inside our DB helper class, so first of all here we can say private static on database change listener, and we can say on database change listener. And now after we insert the data here, so we can say if on database change listener is not equal to null, then we can say on database change listener dot on new database entry added, and here we can say recording item. Alright, and after this we can say public static void set on database change listener, and here we can pass our own database change listener, and here we can simply say on database change listener equal to listener. Alright, so now we can simply say okay, so now we will go to our file viewer adapter, and here what we can do, we can have the DB helper class. So here we can say DB helper equal to new DB helper, and we can pass our context here, and then we can say DB helper dot set on database change listener, and we can pass this. Here it is saying an error, and let me see where is the error. and here we can just say this, and it is saying an error if I write context. I don't know what is the problem here. Let me see from my other class. Right, I will just copy paste them, and then I can just write code here, and I will write this, and still there is an error. If I write private static db helper, but it is, I think this is some other problem. Okay, yes, so we needed to implement on database change listener, and now we can easily write code, implement the method, and there you can see we have the error is now removed. Okay, so now inside this on the database change, I mean on new database entry edit, what we are going to write is, we are going to say array list dot add. We will add it the recording item, and then finally we can say notify item inserted, and here we can say array list dot size -1. Alright, so now we can easily update the recycler view, so you can also test it. So guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye. Or okay, so guys, I think I should show you the output. So let's try to run the app and let's see the output. Okay, so now the app is running, and there you can see we have 2 files. Okay, so if I click on start recording, so you will see it will be updated. So let's see, let's record it. Okay, so now the recording has been started, and if I click on stop, so there you will be able to see this third file which is updated here. Alright, so guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.